Glow Kids TV. Shh. Look, a magic shadow. It's alive. Don't be scared. It wants to play. Let's learn S shapes with shadows.
My shadow is huge. Watch. I can make a circle.
Circle. Round and round. Wow. It learned. Now it wants a triangle. Find the triangle. I made triangle. 3 points. 1, 2, 3.
What shape is next? Learn English shapes with me.
It's a square. My square is wonky. Help me fix it. Teamwork. Square has 4 equal sides. Oh. They treat each shapes at once. This is a shape emergency. Star is hard. Mine looks like a melted snowman. Star, twinkle, twinkle. 5 points, shine bright. H-E art, full of love. Can you feel the heartbeat? Thump, thump. Diamond, teamwork makes it sparkle. Wow, the shapes are dancing. This is magic.
Quiz time. Learn English shapes. What shape is this?
It's a rectangle, like a door, longer than a square. It's playing Esti-Rechi. This shape is oval, like an egg. Oh no, shadow is SAD. What shape will make it happy? Sun shape. You need sunshine to be happy, just like us. We learned so many English shapes. Circle, triangle, square! Yay! Thank you, Magic Shadow. We learned shapes in the DARK. Did you love our shadow game? Subscribe for more Learn English Magic. Click here for M or English adventures. Learning is FUN with us. Bye-bye. Play shadow games tonight. Love from Glowkidztv.